Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about vegetative reproduction in cyanobacteria or blue-green algae. So vegetative reproduction in cyanobacteria occurs through three different modes. We will discuss one by one. First is binary fission. In binary fission, unicellular forms simply divides into two, like similar to bacteria. So binary fusion also occurs in bacteria and it also occurs in cyanobacteria. Here, suppose this is a simple cell. This cell first will increase in size. So this cell will increase in size. Then after increasing in size, its genetic material will be replicated. So its genetic material will be replicated. After replication, these two DNA, two genetic material will move to opposite pole. They will move to opposite poles and they will now come at different poles. After reaching at different pole, there will be a septum formation in the middle of cell and this septa will grow inward and finally a full septa will form there. After formation of septum, two cells will separate. So this is binary fission. Which type of cell division occurs here? Here, amitosis. Because there is no spindle formation, there is no separation of chromatids, sister chromatids. This is just a simple division that is called amitosis. So in binary fission occurs through amitosis cell division. And the next is fragmentation. It occurs in both filamentous and non-filamentous form. In the fragmentation, a colony that may be filamentous or non-filamentous, it simply divides into small pieces and each piece form a new colony. For example, this is a colony of Microcystis. This is example of non-filamentous form. So in this colony, there are many unicellular cells that are irregularly placed. So this colony will divide into two pieces and each piece will then form a new colony. So this is called fragmentation. In case of filamentous form, for example, nostoc, these filament simply breaks into small pieces like this and each piece then will form new filament by further cell division. So this is fragmentation. So in fragmentation, simply a colony breaks into small pieces and these small pieces then forms further new colony. And the last one and the important one is hormogonia. It is a special type of vegetative reproduction in cyanobacteria or blue-green algae. It is characteristic feature of blue-green algae or cyanobacteria because this type of vegetative reproduction occurs only in cyanobacteria. Here in Hormogonia, filaments breaks into small pieces inside colony. Suppose this is a colony. So in this colony, this is a colony of nostoc, many filaments are there. So here in Hormogonia, these filaments will break into pieces. Filament will break into pieces, but the breaking point is very specific here. In case of fragmentation, breaking point is random. It can break from there or from there. But here in case of Hormogonia, a breaking point is very specific. The breaking point will be either will be near a heterocyst, because during heterocyst formation there is a formation of thick wall around this cell, and so the wall attachment of this cell become weak from there. So it will simply divide into fragments like this. One fragment will have heterocyst and another is without heterocyst, and this will be with. So either Hormogonia will form due to heterocyst formation, because due to heterocyst formation the site of attachment of the cell in vicinity of heterocyst will weak, and it will break then and it will form a new piece. Or sometimes, suppose this is a filament, any cell in the filament will die. If this cell will die, there will be a space. This space is called separation disc. So here gap will appear in between these two cells, and then they will simply break into two different pieces, and each piece then will form new filament. So this is Hormogonia. So Hormogonia, you can say, is a special type of fragmentation in which breakage occurs at specific site. It may be at heterocyst or maybe where the cell dies in filament. So this is Hormogonia.